Here's my 53 Chevy, 3-window, 3100 short bed. This truck's sitting on a mid-80s Caprice chassis. Power steering, power brakes, 350 engine, 700R trans, has the overdrive. This is just an awesome cruiser. It's a jump in and go anywhere kind of truck. All your lights, signals, all that's hooked up and working. Fuel gauge is working. Really clean truck. They put it together. It does have some bondo in it here and there. Finished in that red tractor paint. It's a very durable paint. The nice, comfortable Silverado style buckets. The center console. Nice sounding exhaust. Got the pipes coming out on both sides there. .350 engine under the hood. Power brakes. Such a fun cruiser.